Hi, I'm Nick Baxter.
And I'm Connor Gribbins.
And it's a great day at St. John Hyundai.
And today we are coming to you from inside a brand new 2018 Hyundai Elantra GT Sport. And we're going to be giving you a little rundown on how to use Android Auto today.
Okay, so first off, you're going to want to go to the Google Play Store and download the Android Auto app. Click the application that looks like a little arrow and says Play Store. Type Android Auto into the search bar up top, and once it's displayed, click Install. Once the app has finished downloading, open it up. Click Get Started. Continue, and then allow any permissions the app needs to function properly.
Alrighty, so the next step after you have your Android Auto app downloaded is to just simply plug in your phone through the car's USB port. As soon as it all connects with your car's computer, then on this particular model at least, there are two different spots you can get into the app. So the first one is just right here on your main home menu, right next to your phone options, and the second one is under All Menus, right next to your Apple CarPlay options should you have an Apple device.
Okay, so once you're into your Android Auto app, it's first going to bring you to your home screen, which is going to show you what the weather is and allow you to access your music. Now, on the far left, what you have is your navigation, which obviously is going to allow you to find your destination. If you go one step to the right, you're going to find your phone, and this is going to allow you to make a call or send a text. Third, we have your music, which is going to allow you to play music from your device, whether that's Spotify or Google Music, whatever you use. Now, fourth but not least, you can go to your previous destinations and return to them. You can access these features hands-free by clicking the button depicted in the picture located on your steering wheel. Here are some examples.
Go to St. John Hyundai.
Navigating to St. John Hyundai.
Text Nick Baxter.
Text Nick Baxter. Sure. What's the message?
How are you liking the 2018 Elantra? Question mark.
Here's your text to Nick Baxter. How are you liking the 2018 Elantra? Do you want to send it or change it?
Send it.
Okay. Message sent.
Play on Spotify, Howlin' for You.
Sure. Asking to play Howlin' for You.
Thanks for checking out our tutorial. Stay tuned for more and have a great day.